welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, magta-travel tayo sa Mount Pulag. And today is February 21, Saturday, and it's already 10:20 PM at medyo nagmamadali tayo mag-vlog kasi sabi ko magkikita kami 11 PM. Susunduin kasi kami sa Greenfield ng 11:30 PM. So, dapat 30 minutes before that, nandun na kami, nakagather na kami. So, I am with my friends sa work, and this is the first time that I will be traveling with them. Kaya sobrang excited ako, guys. So, I'll be bringing 3 bags with me. So, one is my hike bag, my go bag. Next, yung dala ko ngayong travel. And the other one, yung may iwan sa homestay. So, guys, this is my bag. Ito yung bag na kung saan yung mga needs ko yung iiwan ko sa homestay. Let's go na, guys. Medyo late na tayo.
This is Osbiwana for conquering Mount Pulag.
Alam mo, dami kasi
You see something in me, for me to excite you. And I know I got feelings, I know you do too. So
Hey friends! So, dito kami ngayon sa DNR. So, magkakaroon kami ng orientation and pang 5 pa kami. So, mag-aantay pa tayo ng
Ilang hours
yeah, 2 hours and 30 minutes pa kasi pang 5 pa kami. So, ayun lang. Magbabanyo muna kami.
and I cannot hide, cause you break me down and you ease my mind, my mind.
Madadapa pa.
Little moments like these,
Let's have the orientation.
I don't know what that's about, but I want what you want. All the oddities. I don't want picture perfect memories. I want your complicated, messy.
Good afternoon. So, it's 12:39 PM na and we are here na sa homestay. So, we will be staying at Baban's homestay. And, ayun lang guys, we are still waiting for other travelers to check out sa mga homestays nila. And magla-lunch na kami dito. So, our meal is free na for lunch and dinner. Yung breakfast namin kanina is kami yung nagbayad. So, yun na. Already 3:40 PM. Ang bagal ng oras ngayon. Gano. Tinipil lang namin kung nasan ka. Ay, sorry po.
Hello guys.
Hello po!
Ano po yung record here?
Tinipil lang namin yung view. Ayun, sobrang nice guys ng view dito. Hi friends! So ngayon, nandito lang kami sa may Big Carrot. Na dito sa may malapit sa homestay. And ang ganda na ng view dito pa lang guys. Sana bukas, sana magka-sea of clouds kasi sobrang ganda guys. Sobrang alam mo yun, nakaka-refresh ang feels dito. Tapos, ang entrance fee dito is 50 pesos. Pero may kasama ng mga coffee, ganyan. So today is February 23 and it's already 1:54 AM. And guys, we are ready na to hike. Ay, ready sila. Nag-aantay pala ng Okay guys, so hindi ko na kasi napakita nung nasa bahay pa kung ano naman ng go bag na yung hike bag ko na. So this is my bag pala. I bought it sa Decathlon. It's $5 lang yan. And this is my... Ang dami! So, meron akong jelly ace kasi yan din yung kailangan. Matcha nuts, I have 2. These are my gloves and scarf. Tapos, I have yung blush and makeup. Tapos, with chocolates tayo, we have this headlamp kasi it's gonna be dark. Kailangan natin dyan. Basta madilim niya doon. Tapos, I have my, emergency medicine. Pocari and water, wipes, and my cameras. Tapos here, super quick lang guys ha. Meron yung gummies. I don't know what are these. I also have this. Meron tayo ng mga gauze, betadine, first aid, basic first aid, and ito, mag-belt bag ako. Tapos yung thermal bag. I also have my raincoat. Yan lang. So, 1 hour 20 minutes at wala, parang wala lang naman. Hindi kami pinawisan. Papaano lang kami. Need lang namin magpa-left with x-ray.
And I'm waiting to call you. It's knocking on doors in the dark. I've been walking hours. Been laid up on the news, now you're lying. The look up on your face, now you're smiling.
Oh my God, guys. Wala pa kami sa summit, pero may feeling.
We took a walk beneath the sun. You say our story's just begun. I still remember our last goodbye, the way you smiled, trying not to cry. The wind blows soft, but it pulls me in, and I wonder if we'll be together until the end of time. Across the miles, you feel so near. It's like you are whispering in my ear. In every life I will find you again. All we need is love to bring us home.
Oo nga eh. Hi friends! So,
Goya po.
ayan, tatlo
po.
lang kaming natira na pupunta sa summit. Kasi later na. Diba? Here. Hi!
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends.
Guys, we're on the way to the summit.
Told me way too much.
Para sa mahiwagang poster.
Can't seem to get involved.
Patay na yung kuko ko, guys.
Listen. I don't expect your calls.
Ay, Diyos ko! Buhay ka! Parang gusto ko na lang magmahal ulit.
And me, it won't be temporary. I'm sure that I'll be there, but who knows that the moment before this ends. Oh no.
So we are 1 kilometer away from the summit. And wala, parang wala lang, di ba?
Basic guys.
Basic lang guys, parang gusto ko na maghubad. Sa sobrang... Guys, we made it to the summit. My God! Guys, we made it to the summit. Look at it. Dito lang kasi kami sa other side kasi ang dami pang nagpi-picture, guys. Ay, naubos ako dun, ma. Diyos ko, ano ba kasing gusto mong patunayan, Isabel? Sa mga nagsasabi pong beginner-friendly ang Mount Pulag. Saan niyo nakuha yun?
It won't be temporary. I'm sure that I'll be there, but who knew that the moment before this ends, I know that there's always tomorrow with you and me. It won't be temporary.
So, ito na guys yung Mossy Forest. Nakita lang namin sila ngayong pagbalik.
For this ends, I know that there's always tomorrow again. Ooh, but there's always tomorrow again. Again.
So guys, dito na kami dun sa may mga habal. Maghahabal na ako guys, wala na akong dapat patunayan pa. Guys, hindi para maglakad pa tayo.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you